Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another unboxing video, and this time it is for Boxycharm. So I'm super excited to see what I got. Let's open it up. So this is what my box looks like. It comes with a card as usual, and this month's theme is Au Naturale. So this is what it looks like. It looks pretty simple this month, and in the back it has all the products and the prices, and I got variation number 2, and I also got a $10 coupon for the Ulta Skin Bar and Elemis. This is what it looks like. So that's that. In the back it has more information. Okay, so now the first product that I see here is an Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask, Nourishing Prebiotic Green Mask, Advanced Skincare. So this is what it looks like. I've never tried anything from Elemis, so I'm super excited because I've heard so many good things. So it does come sealed. I'm going to open it up and smell it. I'll probably try this face mask tonight. I can't really smell it right now, but this is what it looks like. It looks white or green or yellow. I'm super excited to try this. This Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask retails for $35. Holy moly. So that's already more than what I paid for the box. So far so good. Okay, the next thing I see here are brushes. And we got Luxy, Gaia, Gia, I don't know, but this is what the little packaging looks like. It's super cute. So it comes with 3 brushes, the 250 large eye blending brush, the 246 precision crease brush, and the 510 foundation brush. So these are the brushes here. They're super pretty, and the handle is pink. So I'm super excited to use these. I don't really like applying foundation with these anymore. When I started applying foundation, like in the beginning of my makeup journey, I did apply my foundation with these type of brushes, but now I don't really like it. I like using a flat top, but maybe I'll just use this for my face mask. And well, we got the big blending brush, and this one is the precision crease brush. So I'm really happy with these brushes. So these Luxy Gaia 3-piece brush set retails for $30. Okay, the next thing I see here. So this month I got another lip gloss, but I got the Alamar Cosmetics lip gloss. This is what it looks like. It's super pretty. I love the packaging. I like the blue. I don't know, is that blue or green, you guys? And I got the shade Mother of Pearl Gloss Sirenita. I'm going to open it. It smells like pina colada or something. It smells really good. So this is what the applicator looks like. It's just a regular applicator. I'm going to swatch it. Oh, it's super pretty. Look at that. It has a light tint of pink or like peach. I really like it. I love lip gloss, so I'm super excited to use this. So this I am also super excited about. So we also got a eyeshadow palette this month, and this time it is from Butter London. This is what it looks like. It's super pretty. So this is what it looks like inside. It has a nice mirror, and I love the shades. They're super pretty, but I do feel like this is like autumn shades or something. I'm going to be swatching these from left to right or right to left. Oh, but let me tell you guys the names first. So it has Enchantress, Queen, Star, Diva, Temptress, and Femme Fatale. So I'm going to be swatching it on my hand here. Okay, so here are the swatches for all the shades. So this one right here on top is Enchanted, and then Queen, the one in the middle. The green one is Star, and then you have Diva over here, and then you have Temptress, this brown one, and Femme Fatale, the green one or blue. These are super pretty colors. I love the green and the blue. So I'm super excited to play with this palette. I will be doing a separate video using this palette. Okay, the next thing I have here, and I am not excited about, it is the Appeal Gel Liner and the shade Desert Taupe. If you guys watched my Lip Monthly last month, I actually received this liner. and I do not like it. I mean, since I did get it in a lip monthly, I thought it was for the lips, but I guess it is for the eyes. But I already have one. Let me go show you guys. Okay, so here is the gel liner that I got last month in my lip monthly, and everyone in lip monthly said it was for the lips, but I'm like, why would I get 2 lip products? So I'm guessing it is an eyeliner. They're exactly the same, and I'm not a big fan of it. So the one that I got in my Boxycharm, I'm going to put it aside for a giveaway. And here, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. So it is a gel liner. So that's what it looks like. It's just the brown. So I will be putting this in a giveaway. This Appeal gel liner retails for $21. And I forgot to mention the Alamar Cosmetics Mother of Pearl gloss retails for $10. So I feel like it's a really good price for a lip gloss. And I love Alamar Cosmetics. Let me tell you guys the value of this box. Hey Google, what's $35 plus $32 plus $30 plus $10 plus $21?
The answer is 128 United States dollars.
So the value of this box is $128. So that's pretty good for a Boxycharm since I only paid $21. I'm just not really happy with this Appeal eyeliner. I wish I would have got a different color. And I really love my eyeshadow palette. I feel like it's really woody. Not woody from Toy Story, but like natural. But anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.